Hello employees of Big Dog Construction, and welcome to the new user video. During this video, we are going to get to know the resources available to you, learn what it will take for your retirement readiness, teach you how to tackle investments, and then point you to the website to enroll. To get started, head to the homepage of 401k University. You can do this by clicking on 401k University in the upper right of the page. Once there, we'll see images for 401k education and others. We're going to start with 401k education. During the enrollment process, one of the first questions you will be asked is, how much do you want to contribute? For many participants, this is a difficult question to answer. To help with this question, we have created Class 101, When is Enough, Enough, and Class 201, The Private Pension, to provide clarity. In addition, we will look at another resource designed to customize this answer to your specific situation, our retirement calculator. To get there, head back to the homepage, again clicking in the upper right, and this time, go to the Retirement Calculator resource. Once at our retirement calculator, answer these 8 questions to get going. Note that in question 4, you should add in your matching, if any. For question 6, make sure to answer in non-inflated or today's dollars. After you've answered these questions, you'll see the results. The amount you need to be contributing in total for retirement will be here. If you wanted an early retirement for yourself, or were a conservative investor, this may seem like a rough result to reach, so feel free to modify your previous answers on this page to see what an impact things have. For example, we'll take the same case of a person considering starting now versus waiting 5 years. What we'll see is that the cost of waiting 5 years is simply enormous. If your plan allows Roth contributions, then there is a second question in regards to your contribution, and that is, do you want to do pre-tax or traditional versus post-tax or Roth, or perhaps a mixture of both? We address this question in Class 301, Roth versus traditional deferral. In general, if you are age 45 or less, strongly consider doing entirely Roth. If you are over age 45, consider doing entirely traditional. After you've decided how much you want to contribute, you'll be asked how you want to invest your contributions. This then is the topic that generates the greatest sum of discourse when it comes to 401k. Remember though, a 401k is much like a car, and investments are much like the car's engine. You can spend all day debating which is the best engine for your car, but until you put gasoline in the tank, you aren't going anywhere. Your contributions are to the 401k what gasoline is to a car, and for most of us, we know how to drive a car even if we don't know what every part of the engine is for. Investments are similar. Thus, we created Class 102 Investments to teach you how to go for a nice drive in your 401k car without having to build an engine from scratch. The goal of this class is to help you reflect on yourself as an investor and then guide you to the investments that make the most sense for you. There are investments for drivers, engine enthusiasts, and gearheads. We want you to help find what makes sense no matter how involved or not you desire to be or not to be. At this point, you've got the conscienta or knowledge you need to get started. From here, it's up to you to have the disciplina or discipline you need to enjoy waylay or well-being in retirement. Close out of this video and read or watch the classes we discussed. After you have what you need, come back to this page. Click on the link for your 401k in the My 401k section and enroll. Thank you for your time and attention, and we hope to see you again real soon.